How to add a photo to highlights on Instagram without posting. There are two simple methods to add photos to Instagram highlights without letting your followers see them. Method number 1. Open the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon, tap the three-line menu, scroll down a little and tap on hide story and live. Select all followers, then tap done. Now no one can see your story. Go back and create a story. Tap on the plus icon. Select the photo from your gallery. Tap the arrow button. Choose your story. Then tap on share. Tap on the add to highlights. Write what you want to highlight, then tap add. Finally tap done. Method number 2. Tap on the plus icon. Select the photo from your gallery. Now tap on close friends. Add just one celebrity account. Then tap done. Choose the close friends option for posting. Tap on the add to highlights. Enter your highlight name. Then tap add. Finally tap done. Now your story highlights are saved and nobody can see except that celebrity. And you know celebrities never check this.